Welcome to Three Little Birds. We just got here. My wife and kids are out doing the grocery shopping, and so I got things opened up. Beautiful wraparound porch. French doors coming out of 2 of the 4 bedrooms. French doors coming out of the living room area. And views to die for. And Bonefish flats. So pretty psyched about that. Got all my stuff, all of our stuff sitting down here, so excuse that mess. Walk down to access the water, ramp to slide the kayaks down, and kayaks over here. As you can see, there is a table for eating outside that we have all of our stuff sitting on right now. So inside, 2 French doors to come in. And the French doors off of the living room. Not a bad view. And you have the 1 bedroom. There's a closet. And bedroom number 2. Each have air conditioning. And you have a bathroom here with shower. Then you have 2 larger bedrooms that have the French doors, each with their own bathroom and shower. Large walk-in closet. Then I guess this would be the master bedroom. French doors, kind of utility room, bathroom, a shower. Amazing views. Tide's coming in, so that white way out there was out of the water, the white sand, about an hour ago. So have the dock. Grill and the kayaks. Pretty psyched.